Hi Alexa, I am writing because you still have plagiarism in your summary response assignment that was due April 3rd. I just click here to see the report. And I see, so let me start at the top. Anything that's flagged like this that's not in quotation marks, that's plagiarized and it needs to be, well, either put in quotation marks or paraphrased. So there to, there to, there to in gray, and all of that there too. So I'm worried that some of this ended up in your bibliography and or your final essay. So those, I won't be able to grade those until this is all fixed and your assignments are resubmitted. So let me tell you that the best way to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism is to, yes, pick new words, but also to restructure your sentence. So let's try here. The author explains how farming, mining, and drilling combined makes up more than half of all deforestation. So the subject of this sentence is the author. So what if you just change the subject to be the majority of deforestation is caused by. So you see, I'm getting an idea from the end of the sentence and making that the subject, and then the rest of the sentence kind of falls into line, and then you will avoid plagiarism in that way. You also do have to change some words, but that's how you do it. Like, let's see, so drilling and mining could be, call that extraction or extractive industries or something like that you could use. So anyway, I need you to get this all taken care of.